Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a new Instagram update for safety. So it's called nudity protection, which protect the messages. Receiving messages will be protected by using this option. It's so useful for the girls' safety. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn on the nudity protection on your Instagram? It's a new update. First of all, update your Instagram. So this is so useful if some strangers or someone send unwanted photos, it will be blurred by using this nudity protection. So first of all, open your Instagram, click on this three profile on the dots on the top, then you just swipe down. You can find an option called messages and story replies. Click on the message and story replies, and here you have this option called what you see in the messages called nudity protection. Click on this. Now here you have this option called just turn this on. Actually, you just need to technology on your device, blur the photos in the chat if the nudity is detected. You can turn it off anytime, so I just turn on. So this is so useful for the girl safety and also everyone's safety. Just try this and share with your friends, so this can be have some protection for them, or it's a safety thing so in this time. And if you are new to this, if you like this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.